Hello, what is your name?
I'm Christina Wali, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm single, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
11 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. 4 years in Middle East.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
11 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Olympic, ma'am.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000.
How many family member there?
There are 3, ma'am.
How many children?
Only one, 11 months.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock, ma'am. I prepare their breakfast.
Mhm.
I vacuum the floor, mopping the floor, marketing, and at 12, I started cook their lunch. And then in the afternoon, I playtime with the baby, put him to sleep. And at 6 o'clock, I started to cook their dinner. And after that, with the baby, batting the baby,
And
and then
then?
put him to sleep again in the night time.
Okay, so what time you prepare for the dinner?
6,
What time they eat?
6:30,
6:30. So what time you go to bed?
10 or 10:30.
Okay, thank you so much.